Hello everyone, welcome to another video with me, and today it's actually a bit of a different video. I've not done something like this before in the past, so please bear with me. But what I'm basically going to do is going through a few things that I found online that genuinely I'm really impressed with some of the deals right now. And I thought some of these deals I have to let my fans know, I have to let my audience know, all my subscribers know that yo, there are some really good Black Friday sales on right now. Well, actually not some of them not all actually Black Friday related. Some of them are just general deals at the moment, and I just thought, right, everyone needs to know about these. So I'm going to do a list of some of these great deals going on right now. I'm just going to say off the bat real quick, this video is not sponsored by anyone. It is not supported by anyone. This is literally just me. Just found some stuff online and I thought, you guys, you got to check it out. So first up, real quick. So we're going to start off with Halfords. Now, you're going to see in an upcoming video from me that I've actually bought this exact thing. So with Halfords, they've got this 200 piece socket and ratchet spanner set. Great kit. Honestly, great kit. The spanners have ratchets on this end, and it's just brilliant to use when it comes to just doing any work in your car. This is near enough a complete kit. You wouldn't need anything more than this as an average DIY, do-it-yourself car enthusiast. There is a cheaper option which probably be better for most other people. You know, it's £75 less with not exactly a lot less in terms of the actual kit that you get with it. From what I can tell, it's actually a bit more of like a few items over here. I'm not like ratchet related stuff that are not included, but near enough everything else that you would actually want, this has, and this would probably be a better kit for majority of people. And like I said, £75 less for not a huge amount less. You know, it's definitely the better one. In fact, my brother has gone and picked this kit up for himself. And another quick little tool, Halfords, the 8-piece screwdriver set. You know, this is great because what you have to understand with Halfords is the guarantee, lifetime guarantee. So even with the advanced socket sets, these two, they're both lifetime warranty. So anything breaks on them, you just go back into Halfords, and Halfords is all over the UK, so you can literally just jump in and say, hey, you know what? I need a replacement of this. I've done it plenty of times. My local Halfords doesn't even ask for a receipt. They see the advanced sign on it. They know that, hey, I'm going to be entitled to a replacement. Some I've heard online, some places do want to see a receipt, etc. But I don't think they'll push too much for it, because at the end of the day, you know, only electronic receipts are something quite new, but some of their older items, you know, they can't really say much about it. So yeah, the screwdriver set, this is something that I'm going to pick up. My brother actually showed me this out, and I was just like, yep, I'm definitely going to look into that. I also have this now for £87. It is such a good little feature to have in your garage. It's such a great little tool storage area. You know, I wouldn't keep the tool set if I bought one of these inside of this. That's not what I've got. This is for all the other little bits and pieces. We're going to get to some of those in a second. But all those other little bits and pieces, this is great. I've done a review, I've done a video of it on YouTube. You can check it out and see exactly what I've actually got to say about this. I'll put it together. It's great. It's stood a whole year with me. No complaints there whatsoever. Following on from that, the Karcher K2. Now look at that. Again, £89. This is a great pressure washer, especially for someone who's just washing at home. You've got one or two cars maybe. You're not going to really need any more power than this. Genuinely, I just don't see why a lot of people would need much more power than one of these. It's so nimble, it's so small and compact. You can put it away anywhere. My old one lasted about 2-3 years, if not more, to be honest with you. I actually don't remember when I bought it. It's been so long. But yeah, I think for majority of people, this is going to be the perfect pressure washer for you. You're not going to need much more than this. You can get the Karcher snow foam lance and stuff. They do a bigger one than this as well, but you know, the snow foam lance and stuff like that, that's completely down to you, however you wish to go about it. You can get a bit more of a professional one, but to be honest, the Karcher one is great as well. I've had that and I've used it before. But yeah, that's a great little kit there. And here we're actually going to be coming over to, oh no, it's out of stock. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to keep an eye out on Autofinesse, because they have some great deals. Oh no. Right, I was going to show you guys the Wash Plus kit. I'm hoping that it comes in stock before they... Wow. Okay. Autofinesse, I was going to say to you all, last night I looked this up. I was going to say, get this kit, get this Wash Plus kit. Because look, at £40, you would have had the drying towel, the wash mitt, the bucket, and some of the products. This would have been great. Let's see what else they have then. Wow, they've sold out on a lot of stuff. To be honest, their Autofinesse, their website right now with the deals that they have going on, get on it ASAP, because you don't want to be looking at things that are sold out. Like I said, this kit was fantastic. For £40, you got so much. Even this one, £90. This is great. You literally would have been loving life. Their towels are brilliant. That was actually the main reason why I was going to actually come onto their page, because their towels is what I use. Fantastic. Got nothing wrong with them. Soaks up water brilliantly. But following it on from there, this is an amazing deal at Euro Car Parts. Milwaukee, you know, I'm not going to say they're the best of the best. I don't know enough about all the impact wrenches and things like that to feel comfortable with saying who is exactly the best. But this thing is a beast from what I've seen. More than enough power behind it. Yeah, the Milwaukee, this with the coming with the 5 amp hour batteries, with 3 of the 5 amp hour batteries. Normally this is £814 and it's below £400 right now. 52% off. I think on Euro Car Parts, this is possibly one of the best deals that they have at the moment. Definitely one to look out at. If you are looking for an impact wrench, this is a great little buy. But I do have one that's kind of better. If you come over to Screwfix, this drill. Now, I know you might be thinking, why are you showing me a drill? That doesn't really have much to do with cars. Well, actually, if you're going to be dealing with drilling out something, yeah, you're going to want a good drill. This drill normally is £300 now. I mean, 230. Normally it's £230 now. This is an introductory offer that's available until January. Now, I know it's not Black Friday, but this is an amazing deal, because along with this, you get the 2 5 amp hour batteries, the charger, the case. Yeah, but for $149.99, that is literally so cheap. Those batteries alone, if you look to buy them single, they're like £60 each. So that's £120 in the batteries, plus the charger, which is another £20. You've basically paid for the entire kit, and you're getting a drill for free. Now, the reason why I say you're getting the drill for free there is if you then go and buy this. Now, this is something that I've picked up for the size and the amount of power this puts out. This is amazing. Now, at the moment at Screwfix, this is out of stock. But if you come over to Toolstation, they've got it in stock. But yeah, this is where I picked it up from. This is an amazing piece of kit. You could get a smaller drill set like this, which has 2 amp hour batteries. Now, my one currently has 2 amp hour batteries in it, and it does work. But ideally, I'm actually going to be looking at getting this drill for those 5 amp hour batteries, because they actually make a big difference in terms of power giving out by the impact wrench. It's something that I watched a few videos on. I'm just like, wow, okay, I actually really need to look into this a little bit more. So that's something that yeah, here you go. Look, £100 for a case and the battery and the charger. You know, this kit right here, just for those batteries alone, is worth this much. For that drill is going to be great. But the impact wrench, keep an eye out for this. This is a great deal. Getting these two together, it's way better than getting, you know, if you were to look at getting the impact wrench with a 5 amp hour battery, look at how much you're paying. £230. That's crazy. Now, if we look at how much these two are going to cost you, it's £149.99 plus £156.99. £309. You basically get this, everything here. So look at the torque rating. It's crazy. It's honestly such a great impact wrench. Helped me so much with working on the 535D, which is a video coming out soon. But yeah, look at that. And you can see just how powerful that is. You're getting this for £20 less with a free drill. You gotta take it. You have to. Anyone who looks at working on any cars, in terms of even just changing the wheels, those kind of things, it's great. I cannot stress it enough to you guys. It is one of the best little arrangements that you can do. Please take advantage of it. I know the impact wrench is probably out of stock in a lot of places, but if you can find it bare, buy that drill set, you will be more than happy. Right. But yeah, those are a few sales. Now, I know this is Black Friday week, so definitely check them out. I'll leave a link to all of them in the description below. You know, this is going to be great for someone. This could be great for someone out there who's going to utilize all these. Now, if you do know of any other really good deals going on right now, leave a comment for me down below. I'll make sure to, you know, if there's more than enough out there that I think is interesting, then I'll make another video. I'll make another video and I'll let everyone else know, because at the end of the day, together, if we could share this kind of information, share these great deals, then everyone's winning in the end. But yeah, I hope you all did enjoy this video. Like I said, I know it's something different. I know it's not my usual kind of how-to on something, but it's some information that I really wanted to share with you all. So, you know, if you did find this video helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said earlier, if you know of any other deals that I didn't mention or something like that, please leave it in the comments below. And please subscribe to see more, not just about great deals and stuff like that, because I'm going to try and look out for these kind of things and share them on a more regular basis, but also for the other content in terms of working on cars, how to do bits and pieces, and just general vlogging. So yeah, I hope to see you in another video. Peace out, and I'll catch you later.